Baseball tonight, guys. This will finish, I think probably the last of our Bowman Sterling baseball we got. Good luck. Box topper. Got another box topper. This one, number 235 for the Marlins, Tyler Kolek. Miami Marlins, Tyler Kolek. Number 235, starting off Bowman Sterling baseball tonight. First one, you got Jorge Alfaro, Texas Rangers. First auto tonight is a base going to Kansas City Royals. Foster Griffin. Foster Griffin, Kansas City Royals. Next, you've got a on-card going to the Boston Red Sox. Henry Owens. Henry Owens for the Boston Red Sox. And finishing with a Giants, Tyler Beede. Tyler Beede for the Giants. Got a refractor for the Astros, Colin Moran. Colin Moran for the Astros. That one numbered to 199. Base for the Pittsburgh Pirates, Alan Hansen. Alan Hansen for the Pirates. St. Louis Cardinals, base, Jack Flaherty. Jack Flaherty for the Cardinals. And a refractor for the Angels, number 125, Cam Bedrosian. Cam Bedrosian, Los Angeles Angels. Got a base for the Astros, Mark Appel. Got a live. I guess he didn't sign enough of them. She's gotten a redemption, and now a live one. Giants, Tyler Beede. Second Tyler Beede tonight. Tyler Beede. On card, Boston Red Sox. Michael Kovich. Michael Kovich, Boston Red Sox. And finishing in pack number 2, I believe. No, pack 3. Already on pack 3. Texas Rangers. Jorge Alfaro. Jorge Alfaro. Refractor, the Rockies, Eddie Butler. Eddie Butler, refractor, number 199. Got a Phillies base auto, J.P. Crawford. J.P. Crawford for the Phillies. Refractor for the St. Louis Cardinals. Number 125, Stephen Piscotty. Stephen Piscotty for the Cardinals. 125. Base for the Houston Astros, George Springer. George Springer for the Astros. Pack number 5, got a redemption on the back. On the front, starting with a Tommy La Stella. Base for the Braves, Tommy La Stella. New York Yankees base, Luis Severino. Luis Severino for the Yankees. Then you got a Marlins. Justin Nicolino. You got a Sterling die cut refractor auto. Marlins, Justin Nicolino. Some might be pretty solid. Sterling die cut refractor. Aaron Nola for the Phillies. Aaron Nola. Good hit for the Phillies. Got another redemption finishing box 1. Seattle, Stephen Romero. Stephen Romero for the Mariners. Sticker auto for the Mets. Dominic Smith. New York Mets, Dominic Smith. On card, going to the Phillies. Mitch Guerra. Mitch Guerra for the Phillies. Then a redemption for Cleveland Indians, Bradley Zimmer. Bradley Zimmer, Cleveland Indians. Finishing box 1. Box 2. Box 2. You have got a refractor for the Nationals, Lucas Giolito. Lucas Giolito. Then you got a base for the Atlanta Braves. Jason Hirsch. Jason Hirsch for the Atlanta Braves. Got a Washington Nationals on card. Eric Fetty. Washington Nationals, Eric Fetty. Refractor number to 150. Pittsburgh Pirates, Gregory Polanco. Gregory Polanco. Pittsburgh Pirates. Got a refractor. Tanaka for the Yankees. Masahiro Tanaka for the Yankees. That one is number to 199. Refractor for the Washington Nationals. You've got out 150, AJ Cole. AJ Cole. Base for the Astros, Delino DeShields. Delino DeShields. And a refractor for the Milwaukee Brewers to 150. Jimmy Nelson. Jimmy Nelson to 150. Milwaukee Brewers. White Sox, Jose Abreu. Base for the White Sox. Washington Nationals. On card, Lucas Giolito. Lucas Giolito. Sticker auto. White Sox, Micah Johnson. Micah Johnson for the White Sox. And a Cubbies. Gold is next. Say in about 5 minutes. Got a Cubbies, Kyle Schwarber. Kyle Schwarber. Chicago Cubs base. Got a Robbie Cano, Seattle Mariners. Kansas City Royals, Jorge Bonifacio. Bonifacio for the Royals. Got a Boston Red Sox. You got Eduardo Rodriguez. Eduardo Rodriguez, Boston Red Sox, base. You got a Pittsburgh Pirate, base. Tyler Glasnow. Tyler Glasnow. Base for the Pirates. Last 2 packs. First one you got for the Reds, Nick Howard. Nick Howard, base for the Reds. Minnesota Twins, Eddie Rosario. Minnesota Twins, Eddie Rosario. Kansas City Royals. Brandon Finnegan. Brandon Finnegan for the Royals. And a base redemption for the Mets, Michael Conforto. Michael Conforto. Last pack tonight. Got a Mets base, Michael Conforto. You got a Astros, Carlos Correa. Carlos Correa. On card going to Cleveland Indians. Justice Sheffield. Justice Sheffield. And finishing your Bowman Sterling baseball tonight. Boston Red Sox, Matt Barnes. So gold standard will be a fresh case to pick from too. Matt Barnes, Boston Red Sox, finishing Sterling baseball tonight.